Affordability on buying a home is not going to get better. Your kids probably won't be able to buy a home when they get out of college 15, 20 years from now, depending on their ages. So if you have young kids right now, the best advice I can give you is give your kids a chance, and I'm going to tell you how. Listen to the end because there's some great tips here on helping your kids be able to buy a home in the future when they are older and make it affordable for them. Let's say you're going to buy a home for $500,000 as a rental, and you're going to put 20% down, $100,000. You're locking in future college tuition by paying $100,000 now, and what's going to happen is for the next 15 or 17 years, or however old your kid is now till they get to college, we're talking young kids, you are going to have a renter in that home paying the mortgage for you. So over the next 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, whatever it might be, that house is going to appreciate. And even if you use the lowest appreciation, let's say 2%, 3%, it's still going to have some appreciation. That home will appreciate some. That renter will be paying down the balance on that mortgage. And at the end of 15 years, 18 years, you're going to have a huge amount of money in that house that you can access, pull out, and pay for your kids' college and give them a home that, by the way, at that point is probably almost paid off. So these are great ideas to help your kid today and build a future for them, and also build a great tax write-off for you and a future bank to pull from in terms of equity for them to send your kid to college. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. And either way, give us a call. We'd love to help you come up with more tips and strategies on using real estate to build wealth and live the life you want to live. Michelle Oddo, the Oddo Group, Illuminate Home.